Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use DJI Mic Mini 2 as a USB microphone for a PC. So first, take the cable that was included in the package. Now, the receiver right here has the port, so put in the cable into this port. And the second end to your PC, I will put it in the phone, but it works exactly the same for the PC. Now the receiver has light up, and just connect it with your microphone, the same as always. It automatically connects. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.